If your Galaxy Watch 8 is showing inaccurate or inconsistent sleep data, that means sleep tracking isn't working properly. Here's how to get back to it on track and start seeing real results. So first, we're going to check some basic and advanced settings on the watch. For that, open Settings on your watch, scroll down for Security and Privacy. Scroll down and enter Permission Manager. In here, you gotta keep scrolling down till you find Physical Activity. If you do not see Samsung Health in the allowed app list, keep scrolling down and find Samsung Health, and then allow the app so it can track and store your sleep data properly. After that, let's open the Samsung Health app itself. Scroll till the bottom and enter the settings. Here, scroll down a bit and enter sleep, and make sure that the blood oxygen and the skin temperature, both options, are enabled. Also make sure that the Snore Detection is always set, and apart from that, you need to follow some very basic but important rules to get accurate sleep data. For example, before you wear the watch at night, try to fully charge it so the sensors can work through the night uninterrupted. Also, before you wear the watch, make sure both your wrist and the sensor area under the watch are clean and dry so no dust, debris, or moisture can block the sensor area. And when you wear the watch, make sure to wear it not too tight or too loose, because either of them might block the sensors from recording your sleep data accurately. And there's a trick that a lot of users have found useful, that is to change your usual wrist and wear the watch on the other wrist, because your watch might fit better on another wrist and can properly record sleep data while tossing and turning on your sleep. If you have tried everything and still it did not work, now let's redirect ourselves to our sync device. First of all, make sure that your watch is not accidentally disconnected from the paired device, and in that case, it might not be able to transfer the accurate data. If that's not the issue, open the Samsung Health app on your paired Android, go to the sleep tracking settings, tap on this 3-dot and select the set target. Then, reset your sleep target once again, and don't forget to set the accurate sleep and wake up time here. Go back to the Samsung Health dashboard after that, you'll see a prompt to enter the data. Tap on it and you'll be prompted to save. So press and save. And don't forget to wear your watch through the whole target time whether you go to sleep or not. Sometimes inaccurate sleep data might just show up your incompatible app versions, so from Play Store, make sure that your Samsung Health app is up to date. If the app is updated, this can also happen if too much app cache or cookies build up from tracking different functions, so long press on the Samsung Health app icon. Go to Info, scroll down for Storage option and simply clear cache of the app. And after that, give your sync device a simple restart to apply all these settings, and you can also restart your watch as well as if you want. And hopefully from tonight, your Galaxy Watch 8 will be able to track your sleep accurately. So, thanks for watching.